So you can see a lot of books here. You can see a lot of book titles and all here. So this is a funny topic here, and it's making a lot of sense. Why women deserve less. So just as I told you earlier, our major focus is school books. But if you can write fiction books, if you can write story books, it's just the same method. Everything we are going to be teaching here will also work for story books and all other options. So you can see here now that these are the rank of the best-selling books that are in new releases, and new releases are books that are just being released 3 months ago, within the space of 3 months. So this will give us information, the accurate information about trending topics on Amazon. So now we'll just quickly go to cookbook, food and wine here. So by the time we get here, we'll now see the best selling books under cookbooks. As you can see, we are looking into, as I told you earlier, our major focus is on cookbooks. So you can explore all these options here up to vegetarian and vegan. So but just me looking at this is like a main category, and this is another subcategory. Books categories, a main category, then we are going to a subcategory which is cookbooks and food and wine. Then Asian cooking, baking and all is another category under cookbook, food and wine. So you can choose to pick any one out of what we have here. We can just go to baking if we feel we understand how to write, or we want to select under baking or Asian cooking. Asian cooking here is telling us about these are the best selling books in this category anyway. So you are free to explore within the category, or you can just stay back at the main category here that we have here, which is cookbooks, food and wine. And you can see these are some of the titles that are selling. This is just to give you an idea of the titles that you should write on. You are not advised to just pick any other person's title. Just like what we have here, the Galveston diet, this particular title has been trademarked. I think I checked it some days ago. I will show you how to check whether a title has been trademarked. But you can just have an idea from what we have here, the kind of books. This Galveston diet is a weight loss program for people that are just entering menopause. So meaning that you can write on this particular something related to this, but you should not use the exact title. You should not use the exact title. You should find a way to change the title, and still, or and in some cases you can, if you are good with how to mix words, you can mix some words from maybe the subtitle of this book with another one. So but we'll just go to another book here. Eat to beat your diet, burn fat, heal your metabolism and live longer. So you can see now this title is telling us about burning fat. So if I want to pick my own title later, okay, briefly, you can see eat to beat your diet. There's a colon here. This colon is showing you that from here to this place is the major title, as you can see from this place too. And anything after this colon downward is the subtitle. Anything after this colon, you can see there are more words from here. But dinner with the president, the moment it's ended with this colon, that's where the major title ends. So we have a lot of options here. You can feel free to explore them, but I would just want us to pick one out of what we have here. This mail sheet, it's possible that it's been trademarked. So let me just go to that next and type mails sheet, then I'll put trademark at the end of it. So this is Chat GTP. Chat GTP is like an artificial intelligence from OpenAI. This bot can answer almost all your questions. It's just as good as Google, but it will bring it out in simple format to simplify it, instead of Google just listing out tens of thousands of websites for you. This one would understand what the questions you're asking it, and then to give you answers. So it's telling me now that I'm sorry, but I'm not sure I understand your question. Could you please provide more context? So I'm copying this. I'm asking the same question again. So as you can see here, it's an AI, and it will answer your questions 100%. But let's try another title here. So the fact that it's giving you is having difficulties with some of these results might mean that it's not trademark, but you still have to be careful with that. Let me go to Google and ask the same question. Okay, I'm trying to see something. There's an S after mail sheet, so maybe that's another reason why I'm not getting the results I'm supposed to get. So I think I should add an S here and see if it's going to give me. So it's still telling me blah 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 whether it's trademarked or not. But you can confirm with Google search by typing it here. So means she eats trademark search. So I think from what is here now, meals she eats trademark, or meals she eats LCC, blah blah blah. So most likely if I click here now, I will definitely see more information about the trademark. September 2021 meal sheet was filed and all. So this is the title. The reason why I'm spending some time to identify whether this title has been trademarked or not is just to avoid copyright infringement, which you might be disastrous when you start publishing. So just let's take it or leave it. Most of these titles, Baking Yesteryear, Miss She Eats, if you see titles like this, Basis with Babish, some of these guys have trademarked their titles so that they can have sole ownership to it, like the harvesting diet. Another reason why ChatGTP may be having difficulty with knowing whether it has been trademarked or not is because most of the information available to ChatGTP is limited to 2021 and earlier, so it's not really conversant with what has happened after 2021. And from what we can see here, the trademark was filed September 2021. So this is to show you that you can as well check from Google too. So if I come here and paste the harvesting diet, oh sorry, let me come back and click copy. Ctrl C will give me copy, and then I'll paste here. Then I'll put trademark. So you can see now it's telling me straight up that yes, the harvesting diet is a trademark name. The United States Patent and Trademark Office has registered the trademark under registration number of so and so. So this ChatGTP will give you a more concise answer than Google. It will tell you straight up what exactly is happening, to summarize everything for you. So now let's go back to Amazon. Just as I said earlier, I told you I've checked it before, and it's just for people for women, tailored to women in midlife. A proven eating and lifestyle program, balanced nutrition and sustain weight loss. So even if you are going to write any book related to this title, you should not use the exact words, the harvesting diet, as the title. So I hope this is not getting confusing, but just keep following the video, and you can feel free to pause and watch it later. So just from what is here, you can if I scroll down to the bottom of the page, you see page 1 and 2. So trying to remove this from the screen. So I'm trying to, by the time I scroll down to the bottom,